Hello. So this is the home page for our application. So whenever you press get started button, it will take you to a sign in page. And from here you can sign in or you can sign up. If I click sign up, I will I will be directed to a page where I can sign up. But in this case, we we don't have it. We haven't yet created a database to hold a user information. So if I were to enter any information, let's say any random information here to sign, nothing will happen. But one feature that we also added is being able to hide or make the password visible. So when I click this button, I can hide the password or I can make it visible. So, like I said, if I click sign up, nothing will happen because we don't have a database set up yet for that. So I will go back to sign in, and before signing, um, since we don't have a dat since we don't have a database, uh, we created different users within the code to for within the code to be able to sign in the application. So in the code, under the model and user, these are the various users we have. So we have user 1 and 2 and 3. So if you were to enter any of these information in the sign in option, you will be able to sign in. Okay, so in this case, so before signing, for example, I will enter a user information that is not in the code. So let's say if I enter a random username, something like this, and a random password as well. I can also hide or make the password visible as well. But if I were to sign in, it will give me an error message because this user is not available. Okay, now if I enter the correct username, which is in this case I will use the first user, so which is user 1, and the password, if I enter, which is password as displayed in the message here as well, the password, the password. And also before I sign in, if you click forgot password, nothing will happen because we haven't implemented that feature as well as of now. So now if I sign in, since I enter the right information, I'm able to sign in to the application. And this is our home page. This is an image slider. It's supposed to display different image from various events at the snow trail, and below is an event slider, and this is supposed to be a list of events. But if you click on one of the events, nothing will happen because we have not implemented that feature yet. But another thing is we've added a cart option here. So whenever you purchase anything within the app, the purchase will be saved within the cart, and from there you will be able to check out the item. But as of now, we haven't implemented that feature. So if you click on the cart, nothing will happen. But what I have implemented is the weather uh, option right here. So this is supposed to give the user a quick look at what the weather is like. So if you were to click this, it will take you to the weather API, and this weather information is being taken from an API, so it is displayed here. We'll go back. This is our ticket page. Nothing has been done for the ticket page as of now, and this is the rental page right here. This is supposed to be a slider. It's supposed to be a scroll. Supposed to scroll, but for some reason it doesn't render well in Android. So you will enter the weight and height, and then add your whatever you select, and add that item in the cart. But as of now, if you were to click add to cart, nothing will happen because we have not implemented that function. So this is now next. This is the event. So if you click the plus button, this would display a window where you can add an event. And as of now, if you press add to list, nothing would happen because we have not implemented that function yet. So I will close out of this. And this is the store. This is also supposed to have a list of items, and you can select whichever item you would like and add it to the cart. But whenever you press add to cart, nothing will happen as well because it has not been implemented yet due to not having enough time to do everything. But if I go back home, another thing that we added is a bar slider. So if you were to press this button, this slider will be displayed, and the top is supposed to just be a profile of a user, and under this various button can be, if you press them, it will take you to various pages. So for example, if I press home, it should take me to home. If I go back and I click on profile, it should take me to profile, and the profile we don't have much. We haven't done much for the profile as well as of now. If I were to click trail, it takes me to the trail of the. It takes me to a map of the snow trail. If I click on food and drink, it's supposed to take me to. It takes me to the food and drink page, but obviously this has the trail map, so it's something that we're still working on. If I click weather, it takes me to the weather page. If I were to click settings, it takes me to the setting page. For some reason, this is not being rendered well on the Android. But if I click on support, we have not done anything for support as of now. If I click on about, we just have a few things about the snow trail. And this is supposed to be a dark theme, but we have not implemented it yet, so if you click on it, nothing will happen as of now. So this is basically the bulk of our project. You can sign out here. If you click on the sign out button, it just takes you to the welcome page. Okay. And these are the various screens and code that we have for our project, and this can be accessed on GitHub. I will include a link to the GitHub repository for this project. And I think this is really all we have for our project as of now. We plan on working on this project throughout the summer. So, so yeah.